Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a video about this grandfather clock. It has been a while since I've made a video about it, and I really wanted to make a video about it now, so I decided to do it. But this is a notice. Some of you guys may say that, oh, you made a lot of videos about this clock. Why this again? But this is actually a video about a little bit more detailed look about this grandfather clock. Alright, let's get started. So here on the top, you can see this clock has a flat top, not a swan neck top or a bonnet top. This part right here is actually hand carved. You can see all the details. You look closely. This is not smooth. Very beautiful. Alright, so let's go down. Now you may not notice two things you may not notice. The first thing is the door. So the door right here, it's actually made of many pieces of wood instead of one. You can see here. So one piece right there, one right here, one right here, two right here, and one all the way down here. And the pillars are very detailed on the top, but they get bigger the farther you go down. See, same on this side. Get bigger. Now let's go to the dial. Here's the dial. When the light's on, this looks like silver, but when this room is actually a little bit darker, it actually looks like bronze, because it's actually bronze like this one. See here, the hands are damaged over the years. The dial's damaged too. And you can see that the movement in the dial sits on this piece of wood that sits on this thing right here. So look up. You can see that is the movement of the clock. I mean, those are the hammers movements right there. This is a single Westminster chime clock, but this is something that many clocks don't have. Look on top, but wait, look at this. So it chimes on this side. It chimes on the right side instead of the left. The left side is the hour strike. And this is just used to check the hammers and the rods are working fine. This is actually the silent lever. Right, let's move down. You can see the chain here. Look at the weights. They're very detailed. Flowers and leaves. A motorbike. And you see the bottom of the weight. You'll notice something here. These weights, the hooks are different, so you can actually distinguish which weight goes on both sides, which two goes on both sides, and which one goes into the middle. So the ones that go on the sides, the hooks on the chain are like this oval shape, and it's like a fishing line hook on here. This one is the opposite, the middle weight, the time weight. And this one is the chime weight, I mean the strike weight, which has the same hook as the chime weight. We can close the clock right now. And the glass here, this piece of glass here is actually slanted. And this bottom piece is beveled glass. It's not flat glass. That is boring. And let's go down. Pendulum, it's a stick pendulum. There are scratches from when the pendulum moved up and down, and a bit of scratches on the pendulum bob itself. Alrighty, let's go down deep. Now you can clearly see the bottom of the pillars. And here's this swan pattern on the bottom. Again, you notice here that this is not flat. It has a pattern on it. Same with the top. Let's look far away. This clock is roughly 7.5 feet tall, or about more than 2 meters. And probably that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.